picture or video in the 100 hectare. We capture successful 3 type of bird in the bay. Here the biggest bird farm. I would like to show you the first one here. You see the name is the bird. They have a white. I have a white here and cream is the main color. 3 here. Here you see. 3 here. One also you can get like from 6 to 9 millimeter. Blue and pink are special color. Only here we have this of blue color and pink. You see, blackbird. Main colors black, peacock, and gray are special color. This one gray color and black is a luxury bird. This one about 140 US dollar for one pair earring like that. And here, the most luxury here, South Sea, the main color yellow. You see, this is a yellow bird. The most luxury, 5 years to 8 years. This one 5 years. Sometimes this one 15 years. Bigger size of it. It's a nature bird. So you can use it to make earrings or pendant or bracelet. And here, how the technique see in plant pearl. They will repair to strong oyster. And they cut small line from the reproductive organ. They put the membrane, they cut from the oyster here, and they leave outside 6 hours. Here after 3 years.
खाना लेके लगता है उनके अंदर छोटे छोटे मुर्गे रखते हैं
You pick up one. Lucky in that bird inside. Put it here. And you can see after 3 years when we grow in the ocean, not almost they are die, 50% they die, 30% successful, 5 to 10% if perfect one we can get to make pearl jewelry. See.
मैंने स्टडी करा था पूरा स्टडी करा था पूरा करने के लिए
मैंने इसकी बहुत
Xa hỏng hết rồi.
Now see, one oyster, you can get one pearl only to make earring, pendant or bracelet. You see, mày còn rửa chứ, mày lau chứ, cái con điền nó cứ cắt cho phát nó lau vẹp này, sao mày không có lau đi nào, lau như này mới sạch mà không cần rửa.
Yeah, bản chất.
You see, this one, and you can compare this one 3 years, this one 10 years. Is a nature, and we use a machine. We cut it to make the round shape. We should setting here gold or white gold, and blue is a special color. How we can check the real? We can rub together. We see the powder. Powder coming here is a layer of nature, and when we clean it, the more shiny. We use it to make the ring, and then earring or the bracelet. And inside, I will show you. I will show you blue and black is a luxury pearl and special color. Come to see here. I will show you. Here you see blue. Blue to a medium quality. Accessory is the gold or white gold. Here the gold or white gold or silver.
I'm on there, but